Hey everyone, I'm Palm Beaches Paul, your original South Florida YouTube realtor, and welcome back to my channel. So I've been gone for a while. I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, and I apologize for that. But you know, it's summer, it's been hot, got family, getting kids ready to go back to school, all that good stuff. So just been doing some personal stuff. But I did want to get a video shot today and get back on track with you. So that's what we're doing today. Of course, once again, the sky is rumbling with the thunderstorm, so we're gonna try and get this video shot as quickly as possible. But today I'm coming to you from Majestic Isles here in Boynton Beach, Florida, one of the many 55 plus communities that you could live in here in Palm Beach County. Now, I'm 57 myself, and I know a lot of my viewers are in that demographic of 45 to 65 years old. And I've focused a few videos on 55 and older communities, but not many. So over the next couple weeks, I'm actually going to be focusing a lot on 55 and older communities. There's so many of them around here, just in Boynton Beach alone, not to mention Delray Beach and Lake Worth, that my goal is to show you everything from the low end all the way up to the high end and even new construction. So we're going to be focusing a lot on 55 and older homes. I know a lot of you may be looking to retire down here. Some of you will be looking for winter homes down here. So my goal is to show you as many options as possible. And today we're starting at Majestic Isles. And in a little bit, we'll go take a look at an actual house that's on the market for $575,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property that a realtor with Century 21 is selling, and he allowed me to go in there and get a little footage and show you guys in case you're interested in buying it. So, but this is a nice community. It's a little quiet right now. This is Tuesday afternoon, and it's hot, and a lot of the people who do live here are snowbirds, and then there's obviously people who live here full-time as well. So it's a little quiet in the summer. But what we'll do is we'll go take a look up at the clubhouse and show you some of the amenities as much as I can show you, especially before the storm starts coming in. As we walk down here, let me point the camera and show you some of the homes. So you have single-family homes and you have villas. Obviously, a single-family home is going to be detached. A villa is going to be connected. And we'll drive over and take a look at some villas. The home prices here, right now, there's a couple properties on the market from the low end of $385,000 for a villa. And on the high end, you can get a home right now for $634,000 for a single family home. So that gives you an idea of the prices. And as you can see, they have the barrel tile roofs. It's all CBS construction. They were mostly built around 96, 99. A couple of them were built as recently as 2000. So, which means that if it is an original build, you'll probably want to look at the age of the roof and hope that maybe someone replaced it in that time. Some of them will look a little older here. It does say that the HOA does some outside maintenance, so I think they maybe clean the roofs and do some outside. They may even paint the outside of the house. We'll go over the amenities in a little bit. But obviously, when you're looking for a house and you're getting insurance, roof is a major consideration here in Florida. Now, on the sold side, because that's what really matters, the number that's sold, homes have sold for as high as $540,000 and as low as $299,900 in the past 6 months. So that gives you an idea of the comps and what the properties have actually sold for. The HOAs here for the single family homes are $543 a month, and for the villas, $536 a month. So, and you get a lot. It's a gated community. They have a clubhouse, swimming pool, and we'll go over the amenities here in a little bit, and we'll go check out the clubhouse so you guys can take a look. But this is a nice community. It's right here in Boynton Beach. It's just, I'd say, in between the Turnpike and Military. So towards maybe sort of the south going like down Jog, and it's just close to El Claire Ranch Road. If you don't know any of those roads, don't worry about it. But it's surrounded by a lot of 55 and older communities. But we'll walk around here, and some cute houses. I like the pink on this one right here, very Florida, nice foliage. And you know, with that HOA, they take care of your lawn. I got a sheet in the car. I'll get the information on that for you, everything that's included. So the HOA includes maintenance, all right? This is what you get with your maintenance on the HOA, and I'm reading off my cheat sheet, guys. So your maintenance, you get your cable, your common areas, your lawn care, maintenance of the exterior, management fees, manager, pest control, and recreational facility. And as far as amenities that they have here, they have billiards, there's a clubhouse, there's a community room, fitness center, internet included, there's a library with a manager on site, you have a park, you have pickleball, which is real important, right? Pool and shuffleboard, there's sidewalks, street lights, and tennis. So, you know, it doesn't have tons of amenities like some of the other communities might, like a big, you know, theater and all that stuff, but it does have quite a bit, and I think it has a cafe if I remember correctly. Maybe not. Maybe this one doesn't. I might be thinking of another property. Anyway, that gives you an idea of what you get for your monthly HOA. So, but as promised, I have a house that we can go take a look at, as the realtor said I could go in there and do a little video and show you. So let's go take a look at that real quick. By the way, you're only about 15 minutes from the beach. We're just off of Woolbright Road. So if you go out the community and go left and head east down Woolbright Road, you can be at one of my favorite beaches, Gulfstream Beach, or you can go to Boynton Beach, and there's lots of other dining and shopping options for you down there as well. So, all right, let's go take a look at this house. So here we are in a property that is for sale here in Majestic Isles. This single family home was listed with Century 21 Tenants Realty, and the realtor was nice enough to let me come in here and get a little video of this. But let's turn the camera around. So this particular property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has 2,187 square feet under air. It's priced at $575,000. It's built in 1996. But let's take a look around here. So you can see this one here has a nice den, which could be a bedroom here, the sliding door, and put a closet there. And then you pan over here and you have your dining area. A little dark because they have the hurricane panels up, but that's a good thing to have for the hurricane season. You got your storm protection. There's your front door, double door. We'll walk back here. You got a little coat closet, some more storage, one of the bathrooms. So that threw me off because it has a mirror in between it. There you go. Little shower. And then if you come back in here, you got one of the bedrooms. Again, it's a little dark. So you got your kitchen here. Good sized kitchen. 2-car garage. You got your pantry back there. Looks like you have 2 pantries. And then this is really nice, this big open space here. Spin around, let you guys see this. I like the blue, it's real pretty. And then if you come out, it's storming. Right up. Come out on the patio, and you got a nice screened-in patio right on the water. Beautiful. And they have accordion shutters on all the windows for your storm protection. And what's nice about this right out here is you got the door. It's all screened, but you can go right out here and get a little garden area, and you're right on the water. So nice and peaceful place. It's quiet, except for the thunder. All these storms all summer long. All right, and then we come back over here and we'll go into the primary. And you've got good sized closet on both sides. So some good storage here. And then you come in and you have their master bathroom. It's got dual vanities, one on this side, tub, shower, and then another one on that side. And then if we swing back around, here's your bedroom. So as I said, this home was built in 1996 here at Majestic Isles, and this gives you an idea of what $575,000 will get you. This would be a nice house, whether it's going to be your winter home or if you're looking to retire and come down to a community. It's nice. It's got a lot of space. Like I said, 2,187 square feet under air, and the HOA is $543 a month. And we'll talk about more of the HOA and the features here in a minute. But just wanted to give a quick tour of the house, and I want to thank Henry for letting me show his property. So this gives you an idea of what something here at Majestic Isles is on the market for and what you can get for a 3-bedroom house. But let's go take a look at the community outside. All right, so here we are in the clubhouse. Really nice clubhouse, beautiful chandelier you can see, and fireplace. So let's go check out some of the amenities that you'll get with this. They have a fitness center, which is great. No one's in there right now, so we can go in here and show you. So here's your fitness center with a couple exercise bikes and some treadmills, looking right out to the swimming pool. We'll go out there in just a little bit. And you come in here and you got some more cardio equipment, which is nice. So they kind of got it spread out into 2 different rooms. And some free weights for you muscle-bound retirees. I actually need to hit that. Of course, you can't have a 55 and older community without a card room. And there are some ladies over there playing cards, probably playing Mahjong or Canasta. So some serious card playing takes place at these 55 and older communities. All right, and so I was incorrect. They do have a theater. So you got a room in here, some tables and for events. I'm sure this is where they have a lot of holiday events and any type of entertainment. And then probably board meetings and stuff like that. And then you got a stage up here. I'm here to perform for you guys today. Why did the realtor cross the road? To get to the other listing, of course. Da-dun-da. They're gonna kick me out of this place. And they got a second floor up here with another poker room. So you can come up here. So this is the poker room. The other ones were the card rooms. Let me clarify that. Now this would be my room. This is where I would be hanging out with the boys because I like playing pool. I think it's fun. Used to enjoy doing it when I was a young man. So this is cool. They got 2 billiard tables in here. And one of the really nice things about 55 and older communities, I'm sure you know this already, but if you don't, is that they have a real nice community aspect of it. So the ladies downstairs are playing cards. They have a poker room upstairs. And they have tons of different organizations, like groups that you can join. So, whatever you're into, crochet, art, whatever it is, movie night, book reading club, like they have lots of different groups that you can join. So, if you are someone that's maybe living on your own and you're coming down here, there's people to meet and you can get involved in different groups so you don't have to feel like you're living alone. So I think that's pretty important. A lot of 55 and older communities, we don't call them retirement communities, they call them active adult communities, because keeping yourself active keeps your mind sharp, your body sharp, and there's lots of events and things to keep yourself occupied when you live in one of these communities. So you'll see as we go through and showing you these different 55 and older communities that depending on obviously the price of the homes and the monthly HOA, you'll get all types of different amenities. And like some of the brand new homes that I'll be able to show you with like Jail Homes, Valencia Grand, that community has like a salon, indoor pickleball courts. It's crazy. The homes also started like $1 million plus, but you'll be able to have an idea of, from the low end, what you can get to the high end. So they have everything in between. But just something I wanted to point out, that 55 and older communities are great for the community part where you can get involved and make a lot of friends. So, all right, let's go check out the tennis courts and the swimming pool. And they have a library. So if you're the type of person that would rather be by yourself and like the peace and quiet and enjoy doing a little light reading, then they have a library here with some books. This one may take a while. Ugh. So in the men's bathroom, they have some showers as I head to the swimming pool, and they have a steam room, which you can, whew. But you know what? We already have a steam room. We live in South Florida in the summer, but they have a steam room nonetheless. All right, and so here we are outside. You've got your spa right here under the shade, your jacuzzi, And then back here, you can see the swimming pool and some cabanas and places to hang out and some chairs to lounge out. There's absolutely nobody out at the pool today because, as I said, it feels like 112 degrees today and it's been raining. So good for me to do video though. But all right, let's go check out two more of the last amenities, the tennis court. So do me a favor, leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys think about Majestic Isles and if you'd be interested in moving here or want more information about it. I am a licensed realtor with Keller Williams, Boynton Beach, so obviously I can help you out. But it's a nice community. It's not super big, and it's not one of the newer communities, but it's very well taken care of. What I can see, it looks super clean everywhere, and they have a nice little clubhouse. And then here are your tennis courts. So you got your tennis court here, and a tennis court over here. And then as you look in the background, the blue courts would be your pickleball, which every 55 and older community has to have now. It's a must. Now, I did promise you that I would take you and show you some of the villas. I can't go inside any of them, but we're gonna drive by a few so you have villas, because a lot of you may be looking for this to be a winter vacation home. You don't need a full 3-2 single family home. Maybe you're just looking for something to come down here in the winter and stay in. So a villa would work for you, a 2-2 attached with maybe a one-car garage. So we'll go drive by and take a look at those. But you can see the villas are attached. There's two to a building, and they do have 2-car garages. So there's one available right now for like $442,000. I think there's a couple, one for $368,000. I forgot the exact number. What was the one I saw? One was priced at $385,000. So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa. So there are some villas you could get, just to give you an idea, and it's cute. So it's a nice little neighborhood, and like I said, I'd get out and show you from on the sidewalk, but we have to do it from the car, which is okay, as it's going a lot quicker. And the storm's getting ready to hit. It's another afternoon thunderstorm, ready to pile down on us. All right, it's a little dark in the car. I'm trying to get some light on my face. So, all right, guys, that is Majestic Isles here in Boynton Beach, Florida, 55 and older community. I think it's a nice community. It looks very well kept. All the homes are nicely manicured for the most part. Some of them, do look like they need some roofs to be changed out. As I said, some were built in, 1996. Some were built in 2000. So, but overall, it's a nice looking community, and you have an idea what the homes cost, what is sold. And you saw an example of a house that was priced at $575,000. So that was a nice looking house. And yeah, so if you're interested in this community or any community, reach out to me. All my contact information is below. A licensed realtor, I'd be happy to show you. I live out in West Boynton, so I'm right around a lot of these communities, and I've sold a lot of homes in these communities. So, all right, well, appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, click the bell so you get notified every time I make a new video about another 55 older community. And for those of you who aren't 55 and older, don't fret. I have lots of videos you can watch on my playlist, and I will be making more videos about life here in Palm Beach County. So, all right, guys, until next time, get out and enjoy paradise. Talk to you real soon.